Hello everyone. If you're preparing for CELPIP exam and you want to get 9 bands, you should know what is syllabus of CELPIP first. Then you should know what should be your study plan to get 9 bands. And after that, you should schedule your own learning based on your planning. This video will give you the idea about types of question of CELPIP and a study plan, and at the end, tips and tricks to get 9 bands in CELPIP exam. CELPIP has 4 sections. First is listening, second is reading, third is writing, and fourth is speaking. Total duration of listening is 47 to 55 minutes, and total number of questions will be around 30. Total duration for reading will be 55 to 60 minutes, and total number of questions will be around 30. Total duration for writing will be 35 to 60 minutes, and the task will be 2. Duration for speaking will be 15 to 20 minutes, and total number of questions will be 8. First part is listening. Listening has been divided in 6 parts, and every part is consists of 5 to 8 questions. Part 1 is problem solving, and there will be 3 separate audios, and the duration of each audio will be 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Total number of questions from part 1 will be 8, and it will be multiple choice single option types question. It means you will be given 4 options and one of them will be correct based on your audio. Part 2 is all about a daily life conversation. Here, one audio clip will be played and duration of audio clip will be 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, but it's not one go audio. There will be a gap of audios. Total number of questions from part 2 will be 5, and again it will be multiple choice types of question. Number 3 is information. So number 3 means part 3 of listening will be based on information. Again, one audio will be played and the duration will be 2 to 2.5 minutes. The duration will be 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Total number of questions will be 6. Remember, first 3 parts are considered quite easy, but the second 3 parts are considered a little difficult. However, part 4 will be about news items. Again, one audio will be played and the duration of audio will be 1.5 minutes. There will be 5 questions, but for each option, there will be multiple options. So you will be given the boxes. It's mean for one question, one box, for question 2, another box, for question 3, another box. So there will be multiple boxes. We have to pick one of them. Part 5 is all about discussion, daily based situations discussion. Again, one audio will be played and the duration will be 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Total number of questions from part 5 will be 8. Last part, that is part 6, will be based on viewpoints. One audio will be played and the duration of audio will be around 3 minutes and total number of questions will be 6. As I said, part 4, part 5 and part 6 are considered a little difficult just because of information and the duration of audio. Hence, you have to be quite cautious and you have to improve your listening skills and especially note making points. Second is CELPIP reading. As I said, the duration will be around 1 hour and it has 4 parts. Reading part 1 is all about correspondence. This is answer multiple choice questions and complete an email response. So here you will get 6 plus 5 questions. Total number of questions will be 11. And for part 1, the timing will be 11 minutes. Part 2 is all about apply a diagram. It will be answer multiple choice questions and complete an email response. The duration for part 2 reading will be 9 minutes and the number of questions will be 8 and it will be divided in 2 parts, 5 plus 3. Part 3 is all about information. So select a paragraph that contains the given information. Duration for part 3 will be 10 minutes and total number of questions will be 9. Part 4 is all about reading 4 viewpoints. Answer multiple choice questions and complete a reader's argument. That will be the type of question. Total number of questions will be 10. Duration will be 13 minutes and 10 questions will be divided in 2 parts, 5 and 5. So if you know how to read intro, body, conclusion, this reading section will be quite easy to solve. Next is writing. The total duration, as I said, that it will be around 1 hour and you will be given 2 tasks. Writing, task 1 is all about email writing. So write an email regarding day-to-day matters. As I said, there will be only one question and duration will be 27 minutes. Number of words will be 150 to 200 words. So writing task 1 is all about simple writing with 200 words around and the duration will be 30 minutes, but less than 30 minutes. Task 2 is all about responding to survey questions. Respond to an opinion survey regarding commonly encountered issues and justify your choices. It means you will be given a simple situation and you have to compare that situation and write your point of view. Total duration for this writing will be around 26 minutes and number of words for that essay will be around 150 to 200 words. So in short, task 1 is all about email writing and task 2 is all about response writing. Last is speaking. Total duration for speaking, as I said, it will be 50 to 20 minutes and total number of tasks will be 8. It begins with general practice speaking into microphone. You have to hear 30 seconds and the answer will be in 60 seconds, but this is just warm up. After that, your task 1 starts and task 1 is all about giving advice. So help someone to either make a decision or prepare for something. Total number of questions 1 and Preparation time will be 30 seconds and you have to speak for 90 seconds. Task 2 is all about personal experience. So talk about your personal experience. Tell a story about our past experience. So only one task for you will get 30 seconds to prepare, to make up your mind, to make notes, and responding time will be 60 seconds. So you have to speak for 1 minute. Task 3 is all about describe a scene. So you will be shown one scene and look at an illustration and describe what is happening. You will get 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Total number of questions will be only one. Task 4 is all about making prediction. Look at same illustrations and describe what you think and will happen next. So you have to assume. Again, total number of questions will be 1. Preparation time will be 30 seconds and speaking time will be 60 seconds. Now it is task 5. It's called comparing and persuading. So it has 2 parts. Part 1 is all about select your preferred options from 2 choices, and part 2 will be about persuade someone to agree with the option you have made. Preparation time will be 60 seconds and speaking time will be total 60 seconds. Task 6 is all about dealing with a difficult situation. Total number of questions will be 1 and you have to explain a decision to a friend or family members. Preparation time will be 60 seconds and speaking time will be 60 seconds. Task 7 is all about expressing opinions. Again, you have to explain why you agree or disagree with a statement. Preparation time will be 30 seconds and speaking time will be 90 seconds. Last, that is task 8, describe an unusual situation. So this is the task 8. Here you have to describe a picture of an unusual items or situations to someone who cannot see the picture. Preparation time will be 30 seconds and speaking time will be 60 seconds. So this is all about your CELPIP syllabus. Your preparation time should be 30 to 60 days, but not more than that. So 30 days to 60 days is sufficient time for your preparation. Your whole preparation time should be either 30 to 60 days, but keep 45 days. First 15 days should be for preparation of foundation. Second 50 days should be to understand all the sections of CELPIP exam. And last 15 days should be for your mock test, sectional test, and full test. First 15 days, if you find that you are not up to the mark with reading, writing, listening, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, start building it. Start working on it. Take the resources of listening, different types of news, reading for articles or any magazines. And for speaking, start talking with your friends. And for writing, start writing a short paragraph. Second, as I said that, it is for your CELPIP preparation. So start doing practice with all types of questions, individual questions, and start working on it. And third part, that you have to write full test. So after each test, make a list of errors, check where do you struggle, what more you have to do, and then take the resources and do it. So 45 days is sufficient time for your preparation. Next video will be all about detailed preparation planning. So this is all for today. Have a good time.